Hey there, strawberry enthusiasts, are you ready to dive into the juicy world of strawberries? Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the top 10 secrets about everyone's favorite berry. From health benefits to fun facts, this video is packed with everything you need to know about strawberries. Don't miss out, hit that play button and let's explore together. Secret 1, did you know that strawberries are not just a delicious snack, but also a potent ally for your immune system and heart health? These ruby gems are bursting with vitamin C, a vital nutrient known to strengthen your body's defense against illnesses. Plus, their high fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels, promoting a healthy heart. So next time you enjoy a handful of strawberries, know that you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're also giving your body a powerful boost. Secret 2, ever wondered why strawberries have their signature red color? It's all thanks to their rich concentration of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds not only give strawberries their vibrant hue but also play a crucial role in fighting inflammation and protecting your cells from oxidative stress. So, by adding strawberries to your diet, you're not just indulging in a tasty snack, you're also nourishing your body with nature's antioxidant powerhouse. Secret 3, here's a juicy tidbit. Strawberries are low in calories but high in flavor. With only around 50 calories per cup, these sweet berries make for a guilt-free treat that won't derail your healthy eating goals. Plus, their natural sweetness can satisfy your cravings without the need for added sugars, making them a perfect choice for anyone watching their weight or managing diabetes. So go ahead, indulge in nature's candy, your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Secret 4, did you know that strawberries can do wonders for your skin? Thanks to their high vitamin C content, these luscious berries can help promote collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Additionally, the ellagic acid found in strawberries can help protect your skin from UV damage, reducing the risk of premature aging and sunspots. So next time you're craving a snack, reach for some strawberries and give your skin a natural glow from the inside out. Secret 5, here's a surprising fact, strawberries may help improve your mood and boost brain health. These delightful berries are rich in flavonoids, which have been linked to enhanced cognitive function and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. Additionally, strawberries contain compounds like folate and potassium, which are essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system and regulating mood. So, the next time you're feeling down, reach for some strawberries and let their natural goodness lift your spirits. Secret 6, did you know that strawberries are not just for eating? They can also work wonders for your hair. The vitamin C in strawberries promotes collagen production, which can strengthen hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. Additionally, the silica content in strawberries can help prevent hair breakage and improve overall hair health. So, if you're looking to add some shine and vitality to your locks, consider incorporating strawberries into your hair care routine. Your tresses will thank you. Secret 7, here's a fun fact, strawberries are not technically berries. While they may look like berries, botanically speaking, strawberries are classified as aggregate fruits. That's because they develop from a flower with multiple ovaries, each producing a small seed on the outside of the fruit. So, the next time you bite into a delicious strawberry, remember that you're enjoying nature's unique twist on what it means to be a berry. Secret 8, strawberries aren't just a summertime delight, they can thrive in colder climates too. In fact, certain varieties of strawberries, such as everbearing or day-neutral varieties, can produce fruit throughout the growing season, from spring to fall. This means that even if you live in a cooler climate, you can still enjoy fresh strawberries from your own garden or local market for a longer period. So, don't let chilly temperatures stop you from indulging in these delicious berries all year round. Secret 9, here's a surprising fact about strawberries, they're a great source of dietary fiber. Just 1 cup of strawberries provides about 3 grams of fiber, which can help support healthy digestion and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Additionally, the combination of fiber and water content in strawberries can help promote regularity and prevent constipation. So, next time you're looking for a tasty way to boost your fiber intake, reach for some juicy strawberries and enjoy the digestive benefit. Secret 10. Did you know that strawberries have a fascinating history dating back centuries? Native to North America, strawberries were enjoyed by indigenous peoples long before European settlers arrived. Early European explorers were amazed by the abundance and sweetness of wild strawberries, leading to their cultivation and spread throughout the world. Today, strawberries are celebrated globally for their delicious flavor and numerous health benefits, making them a beloved fruit enjoyed by people of all ages. So, the next time you bite into a succulent strawberry, remember the rich history and journey behind this humble yet extraordinary fruit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating secrets of strawberries, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining videos. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of food and health with us.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Like channel to receive all new news.